Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you a secret activity log that Windows 11 is collecting from your laptop or PC that will shock you. Yes, the activity name is activitiescache.db. It is actually a local SQLite database that is connected with your device platform folder that logs users activities for Windows timeline feature. So what it does is it tracks activities like apps used, files open, and website you have visited to provide personalized experience and enable a timeline of past actions. So with this particular file, Microsoft is collecting all the data with relate to your Windows log. Now if you go and search for what this activities cache.db does, it will show you the details. It says that it stores a user activity history, include the application launched, the file accessed, website visited, and the duration of each activity. Everything will be tracked. So even if you disable the timeline activities, that won't make any difference. So in this video, I will show you how to delete that file, but along with that, I will show you what exactly is inside that file. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the start from the right click on the start, then go to run. From here, you have to type in percentage local app data percentage and then click on OK. Now the file explorer will be open and you will be inside the local drive of your app data, and from here you have to find connected device platform. You will get it here. This is the folder. Just open it. Now just go to the first folder, the very first folder, and just open it, and from here bang, you can see the file activities cache.db. This is the file what I am talking about. Now to view what is inside this, you have to use a third-party application, that is DB browser for SQLite. For SQLite, just search for it and open this first link. Now from here, just go to download. Now once that is done, when you right click on this activity cache.db and then select open with, then go to choose another app, then select this DB browser for SQLite and click open. Now the file is opened. Now once you are inside this page, you can view the activities of your Windows log. Just click on this activity and then click on browse data. Now from here you will be able to see all the activities with relate to your Windows log. So you have to be a little expert in understanding those querying those files. Now next I will show you how to delete it. Now as you see that if you try to delete it from here, you will not be able to do that because it shows that the device platforms user service 972 CD is running. So what you have to do is, if you try again also it won't go. So what you have to do is you have to stop that service first. For that you have to just go to the start. From here just look for services, just open it, and from here you can see that the service connected device platform is running. Just right click and stop it. Now it has been stopped. Now again go back and check if you are able to delete it. Just delete it. It's gone. That's it. So it's easy, simple way to do that. Now if you are sure about you do not want Windows to track all your activities in Windows, then this is the best way to do that. So hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.